Hey everyone, I'm Laura, and if you're using Tadalafil for ED but not getting the results you want, this video is for you. Buy quality medication. Not all generics are created equal. If your Tadalafil isn't working, it might be the brand. Stick with trusted names like Cialis. Consistency and reliability matter. Take it on an empty stomach. Avoid high-fat meals or alcohol right before. They can slow absorption and reduce its effectiveness. Don't skip foreplay. This medication needs sexual stimulation to work. Don't just pop the pill and wait. Get in the mood. Use the correct dose. For on-demand use, 20 milligrams is the go-to. The 5 milligrams version is for daily use, not a quick fix. Time it right. Take it 1-2 hours before sex. It stays in your system up to 36 hours, but it peaks within the first 10. And if you still feel like you need an extra boost, there's a 100% natural 7-second ritual experts are raving about. Tap the pinned comment to check it out before it disappears. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.